This is Scott the Fix-It Guy. Our goal with our videos is to empower you to be able to do the repairs on your own and save a whole lot of money and also get that great feeling of having fixed it by yourself. Today we have a Maytag dryer that heats up but does not spin. So probably a broken belt. You hear the motor going. It turns really easily, like there's no resistance. So we're going to be replacing the belt. I'm going to unplug it first. It's just going to take a few minutes, pretty easy on this model. And then we're going to use a paint scraper. You could use a standard head screwdriver also to push in on this clip on the right, and there's a clip on the left. They're about 3 inches in from the outside. And that's going to allow us to lift up this whole top panel, just hinges. And then we can get to two little bolts, or two little screws that are holding the front panel on here at the top, one on the right and one on the left, and they're really easy just to unzip them. One there and one there. Get the one on the right off and left, and then we can grab the front panel and lift up and pull toward us. It'll come right off. We don't really have to worry about removing the wires for the door switch because we can just put the door off to the whole front panel off to the side. There's the new belt. I'll put a link in the description below. 341241. And we're going to be putting the rib side down. Here's the old belt. So we got to remove this bracket just so we can get our hand in there to do the belt install. And that just comes out of a little tab there. Should be able to reach in now on both sides, I think. Alright, so we got our belt stretched out. This model we have the rib side down. Slip that around the drum and lift up on the drum a little bit so we can get it back into the right position. Tight squeeze. There we go. Alright, so we're going to reach in on the right side here and left side here. I'm still going to get this belt over. This is a cam surface. I have to lift up a little bit. So I'm lining it up over you can kind of see the old mark right there. Reach in with this one. Reach in with this one. You can feel the idler wheel. Over the idler wheel. And then I push the idler wheel to my right, get it over the motor pulley. Alright. Now it's over the motor pulley. And I'll just rotate it a few times to make sure the belt won't slip off. You can see the fan moving, so you know that the belt is connected. Just lining it up better. Alright, so it stays on really good. So we're going to go ahead and add this brace back.
We gotta line up on the front panel this hole with these indexing pins on either side. So get any junk out of here. Alright, so we can go ahead and put this back. And line up those little pins. That one's in. That one's in. Close this one. Lock it in. Alright, model number on this one is HYG3658AWW.
Thanks so much for watching our video. We really appreciate your support. And when you get a chance, please press the subscribe button below so you can be subscribed, and also the notification bell so we can send you more videos about appliance repair. Please also give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed the video. If you really liked the video and it really helped you, please press this new applaud button and you can show your support and also get a nice clapping hands for your video. Thanks again.